Hello, I'm Wilson Diaz from Green Tours. I'm here in the Cordillera Scalera mountain to present you our bird photography tour to North Peru. This is a 12-day tour focused in bird photography. We will be looking for the most colorful and photogenic birds that can be found in North Peru. The tour starts here at the Corliera Scalera Reserve, not far from the city of Tarapoto. Here, it is possible to photograph fantastic birds like gold-crested aracari, paradise tanager, gilded barbet, ivory bill aracari, tight-headed tanager, plumbeous euphonia, and lots of other superb bird species. Cordillera Scalera is nice, but there are some other great places we visit during this tour, like the Wakanki Reserve and its hummingbird feeders, not far from the city of Mayo. Special birds here are black-throated hermit, white-chinned sapphire, golden-tailed sapphire, rufous-crested coquette, fork-tailed woodnymph, and some other 20 species of hummingbirds. Another place for bird photography near Mayo is the Tawisko Tower, a great place for colorful birds like letter aracari, blue-neck tanager, blue-headed parrot, yellow-tufted woodpecker, and more. During this tour, we also visit the Blanca Reserve. They have hummingbird feeders and a garden with more than 20 hummingbird species coming to the garden like wire-crested thorntail, rufous-crested coquette, blue-fronted lancebill, and much more. Also, there is a tinamou feeding station with little tinamou, cinereous tinamou, rufous-breasted wood quail, gray-necked wood rail, orange-billed sparrow, and other birds coming to the feeder. The most impressive and bird diverse places we visit in this trip are the Alto Mayo Protection Forest and Abra Patricia. Both places are just astonishing for bird photography. The habitat here is humid mountain forest or cloud forest, and there are lots of birds here like blue-winged mountain tanager, royal sound angel, Johnson's toddy flycatcher, booted racquet-tail, rusty-fronted antpitta, and rusty-tinged antpitta. Wembo is the last place we visit in this tour, and the only place where we can see and photograph the marvelous spatule-tailed hummingbird. They have set up hummingbird feeders, so you can comfortably sit and wait for the spatule-tail to show up. As simple as that. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon for a wonderful bird photography tour in North Peru.